Hello, Queens and Kings. Welcome back, and thank you all so much for watching, as well as welcome to all our new Queens and Kings. I truly appreciate you. Now, in today's video, we will be creating two elegant curtain tiebacks featuring totally dazzled items. As you all can see, my tiebacks are gorgeous, and the bling is just impeccable. So, if you all would like to see how I created these tiebacks and also would like to know more about the giveaway of these items, please continue to watch. No, I'm not the problem. Okay, Queens and Kings, before we jump into the video, let me tell you guys a little bit more about the items that I will be using that is featured from Totally Dazzled, as you all can see. And if you guys don't know, I am affiliated with Totally Dazzled. So from time to time, I do receive these gorgeous bling items as well as bling wrap to create these lovely and impeccable DIYs for you all. I don't know why, I just love saying that word like that. But anyways, as you all can see, these here is something a little bit different than I usually get. And these all have pearls on them, like mother of pearl. Like, honey, I got all different types of packages. I got the number 2 package, the number 10, as well as the 6. And I'm going to use all these to make my gorgeous tie back using also Dollar Tree items. As you guys can see, I have 2 of these wire wreath rings here, and then I have some, I'm not sure what you call the sticks, but I can't think of them right now. I just put it on the screen once I go back to edit this video and remember what it is. But I'm going to use both of these items here, and I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them silver, which I would do that off camera. And when you guys see it again, they'll be all silver, as you guys can see here. Now, I still can't think what the name of this called. Y'all tell me in the comment section, because I really am having a brain fart with it. But as you guys can see, they all painted all silver. This was just to give a highlight of the look, because I'm going to be using this bling wrap too though. But the bling wrap going to come in place for support. I'll tell you guys that a little bit later. But I want to show you guys up close and personal about some of the blings that I do have here. Now, this one here does not have pearls on it, because like I said before, I am affiliated with them. So therefore, I still have some in my stash. So I went in my stash a little bit to pull some out. But these brooches and pins are gorgeous. They are gorgeous and very affordable. So if you all would like to get your hand on your certain package, they don't have to be pearl. They have plenty more. Plenty. You just click the link down below. So therefore you can pick and choose from the site of your heart desires. But I just love the way these look. I love the way how these look. Gorgeous, gorgeous, right? What you say? Now, as you can see, this one here does not have a pin or anything on the back. It's more like a flat back, but it have like a little hole so you can like thread ribbon or something through it, anything like that. And this one here, these, now I'm going to use these for the end part of my dowels. That's what they call dowels. Now, the ones I'm showing you here, these did not come from Totally Dazzled. These are actually came from another craft store that I had a while, but they go into your floor like your bouquets or your flowers or whatever. So that's basically what those are there, and I love how they look. So here you're going to need a wire cutter as well as some hot glue. Now back to the bling, the ribbon here. This rhinestone ribbon actually came from Totally Dazzled as well. So they do have them in gold, black, silver, you name it, they have it. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they have them in rose gold too. So all you rose gold lovers, hit them up. But I'm basically going to wrap the bling around the wreath. Here I'm giving you guys a prime example. Now, you don't have to do this step. It's up to you. You could put the bling on there if it's big enough to fit each one. I'm basically going to show you guys also where some of the bling is not going to touch the whole entire ribbon. The wire, I mean to say, the wreath. So therefore, that's where my bling wrap going to basically come in. And all I'm going to do with the bling wrap is just glue it down and cover the whole entire wreath. Now, I know some of you guys saying, well, why did you spray paint this silver? So therefore, none of the green or the black of the wreath seep through, pretty much, so it could camouflage every angle that I would not be able to touch.
blushing, yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching, good do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes.
All right, Queens and Kings, so now our wreath is covered entirely in bling wrap. We're going to move on actually with the brooches. Here, I'm going to take my wire cutters and I'm going to take off the pins off each one of the brooches that does have the pin on the back of them. Now, most of them came off very easily. Some of them was a little difficult to come off, but they will come out, so do not sweat it. Now, as I'm doing that, I'm also arranging the brooches around my wreath of where I would like to place each and every one of them.
I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair, lying here in my bed. Never gonna be alone.
All right, so now that we have everything all glued down, glued on, here I'm just going to take those smaller little brooches there, and I'm using the wire cutters to remove the little hole off the back of the loop off the back of it. And I'm just going to place these on each end of the dowels just to cover up the end and give it a little bit more jazzy to it. So I'm just going to place a large amount of hot glue on the end of the dowel or the back of the brooch. Either or is up to you. And then I'm going to place a collage of glue going around it. And I'm going to use some extra bling wrap to go around it to just support it more. So therefore it does not move or fall off or anything like that.
I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. Without your love, I am out of place. And without you, I am just a trace. I love you with all of my heart. Together forever, never to part. I wanna be with you always. 'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, oh, oh. It's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. It's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. I'm in a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. It's the smile on your face.
All right, Queens and Kings. So here is our tie back. Look how gorgeous, how beautiful, how elegant, how what? Impeccable it is. Yes, Queen. Yes. Kings, y'all better catch up. Y'all better catch up. The Queens are getting it. Queens are getting it. But anyway, we're just going to place our gorgeous tiebacks onto our curtains now. So basically, I'm just gonna ball the curtain up a little bit. We're gonna bunch it through the hole, and we're gonna use our dowel, which is the hook. So therefore, we can secure our tiebacks to our curtains. I love the way these turned out. I love the way they turned out. If you're new here, I hope you actually enjoy this content enough that you consider to subscribe to this castle here, and also turn on your post notification bell. And to all my old royalties, thank you guys. I appreciate you guys for your love and comments, for sharing, for liking, and for supporting this little old queen here. Now don't forget, we have a giveaway at the end of this video. I love the way that these turn out. What you guys say? Gorgeous and affordable too. Don't forget to hit the affiliated link down below. Now let's move on to the last and final one here. Now these hook here is also from the Dollar Tree. You can find these like where the car and nails and screws aisle at. I'm not sure what aisle that is. 5, 6, 12. I don't know. You pick one. But anyway, I'm just going to place a nice amount of glue on the end. And as you guys can see, and place one of Totally Dazzled brooches on the end as well. I'm going to do each one. I'm going to do 2 also. And these is going to be so gorgeous. I can't wait for you guys to see them. Can't wait for you guys to see them. Now, how I place them on the wall, you could use a command script or you can screw them in. As you guys see, it does have holes there. So it's up to you, but I did screw mine in. Now, I'm also going to place some bling wrap, rhinestone wrap around the edge, just to camouflage a little bit more, to blend it, as well as spark it out. But this is how it look. Look how this one is. I love it. This one is more of a hold back, so you hold the curtain back instead of tying it back. But I love it. I love each and every one of these. They were so affordable to make. Like these brooches, y'all have seen me use them in numerous DIYs where I have made so many gorgeous, impeccable. yes, I said it again for the road. DIYs. But I hope you queens and kings enjoy my content as well as my commentary, enough that you guys enjoy this video. You like, comment, share, and subscribe. But don't go nowhere. Let me tell you guys about the giveaway. The giveaway is basically these tiebacks, curtain holders. If you all would like to be nominated to win each set, as well as the extra bling rhinestones that you all see here, please comment down below and say enter me. I will have this giveaway going for a week. Yes, a week, and I'll come back with the one person that win. Don't forget, just say enter me, and that's all you have to do. We're going to do a drawing for it. I'm going to try to do the little random drawing, so therefore I can pick and choose the winner. I probably put it in my community tab, so you guys just focus, pay attention, watch out for it, because matter of fact, I'm gonna come back with a cash giveaway. Yes. I feel like give it, girl, give it. The Lord gave it to me, so I want to give back to you all. So I appreciate you guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Oh, wait, where's my manners? I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. You all, big shout out to Totally Dazzled for actually sponsoring this video. Where is my manners? I am so sorry. Also, please check out the affiliated link down below, so therefore you could receive you a discount on your bling queen or king. Mother's Day coming up. You got somebody special coming up. Just because coming up. Those always up if you ask me though. But anyways, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out the links down below. Don't forget about the giveaway. All you have to do is just enter me. And also, please just give me a thumbs up. So I'll talk to you all in the next video. Bye now for good. Bye.
I think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey.